Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we're going to show mind-blowing AI websites. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Today, we're going to explore some mind-blowing AI websites that showcases the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence. AI has revolutionized various fields, and these websites provide interactive and engaging experiences that demonstrate the power of artificial intelligence technology. In this guide, we'll introduce you to a selection of mind-blowing AI websites that utilizes AI algorithms to create unique and immersive experiences. We'll delve into each website, discussing its features, functionalities, and the AI technology behind them. You'll get a glimpse of the future as you explore this cutting-edge website and witness the incredible possibilities that AI brings to the digital realm. So, if you're ready to be amazed by the mind-blowing AI website, then let's begin. Now we're going to talk about 4 different websites of AI today's video. The first AI that we are going to check out today is called Lexica.art. Lexica.art generates images depending on the prompt that we give it. It is very similar to Midjourney, Blue Willow, and a lot of other image generator AI out there in the internet. But as you can see, Lexica.art can also produce amazing art that can fight against those other AI platforms that I have just told you. So we're going to try this out today. As you can see here on the top part, you can simply type in the prompt over here or search for an image. Currently, it is on the search option. You can also upload an image for a reverse image search by clicking this button over here. And you could have your settings over here. For now, we're going to click on generate. And over here, we will be able to describe our image. And then over here, a negative prompt. A negative prompt is basically an element of an image that you don't want to see on your prompt. For example, we're going to search a cyborg samurai in a cyberpunk raining road, just like that. And then you could choose your dimensions over here. You could move this around depending on what size you want. There's also some advanced settings over here. You could choose a model type. Currently, it's using the most latest version, which is good. And you could also edit the guidance scales over here, just like this. And after that, you're simply going to click on generate. You could also upload an image over here, and it will use it as a sample or like a reference for your image. So we're going to generate this, and we're going to simply wait. As you can see, it's currently producing our image, so we're going to give it a few more seconds. And just like that, we have our image over here. We have a cyborg samurai in a cyberpunk raining road. As you can see here, there are a lot of different very good image produced over here. I really like this one over here. So you will be able to download this image by clicking on this button over here, or you could put this on your favorites by clicking this. You could also make it generate variation for this one specifically, or you could outpaint it, which would make it a bigger version. Let's do that. We're going to make this a bigger version. Let's see what would happen if the quality would drop or if the quality would be better. And as you can see here, it also generated as variation. As you can see here, we have all of these different versions over here. And you could do anything you would like to produce. It is completely up to you depending on what you would like to see. We could do cat running on a rainbow painting, just like that. You could do anything you would like to generate. You could use this AI for many different things, for your website, for your blogs, for anything you would like to use it for. You could even use it for your school projects if you would like. As you can see here, it did an amazing job producing the design that we like over here. Now you could go back to home over here. As you can see earlier, we had a lot of different samples that we saw earlier over here. If you happen to like an image that you saw over here, you can simply click on the specific image and you will be able to also copy the prompt over here. You could copy the URL. You can explore the specific style. You could also open this on the editor, and we could actually try this. I'm going to try this right now. As you can see here, there's also versions over here, like a bigger version, just like that. And we're going to try it out if it will work for us as well. We're going to do this, generate it, and we're going to wait for it. It has been producing amazing results so far, and like I said earlier, you will be able to use this for a lot of different things. As you can see here, it produced a very similar design that we chose earlier. You can simply copy this or download this and use it as a wallpaper or even an avatar if you would like. And that's it, guys, for this Lexica art. It's amazing. It gave us a very satisfying result. So now let's proceed with our next AI. The next AI is called Summarize Bot. Basically, it is an AI that helps you summarize any form of data in the internet. As you can see here on our right side, it is a sample of how it would work. You can see that it is summarizing a data from Wikipedia, and it will produce you a summary, keywords, and information that you would need. You would need to add this to Slack or connect it with your Facebook or any browser that you have. As you can see here, no need to install a new app. Summarize Bot is always ready to save your time. And how it works is that you're going to share your information with AI-powered Summarize Bot via Facebook Messenger or Slack. And then you will receive results that are cutting edge, very organized and summarized, and you could enjoy your summary and the most important keywords and key phrases over here. This is most likely for a mobile phone application, so we won't be able to properly use this on our computer, but we're going to show you its features. As you can see here, its number one feature is summary generation. It will produce you a better version of your information so that you will be able to extract the most important parts out of it. Another feature is news summarization that just summarizes news over here. Another one is keywords extraction, then key fragments list, vary summary size, and save your results over here, allowing you to download, save, or share your summary for free so that you will be able to use it for other things as well. As you can see here, what makes them unique. Their summarization algorithm, AI blockchain and machine learning, audio summarization, multi-language support, various files supported, and share any link over here makes them very unique from other type of summarization bot. And this application would be very useful for students who uses their phone a lot and uses it to study. Now moving on, we're going to check out this AI over here called DID, which is basically Digital People Text to Video AI, as you can see here. Now you will be able to create a digital video based on your text or your script that you will be providing this specific AI tool. Over here on our library over here, I have created this video over here. But I'm going to show you how you could generate your own video. You're simply going to click on Create Video or from the top over here. And you're going to select a person that you could choose over here. Choose a presenter. You could choose any type of presenter over here. Currently, we have this HQ version over here. And you could edit the background, make it white, blue, or whatever you would like it to have. You could change the format over here from wide, square, or vertical, depending on what you would like. There's also Generate AI Presenter over here, which would allow you to create your own portrait depending on your prompt over here. You can simply put whatever prompt that you would like so that you will be able to have your own customized presenter depending on your prompt. For example, we could do this, generate, and it will produce us a portrait of our presenter. So we're going to wait for it to finish generating. Over here on the right side, this is where you're going to put your script. You could also upload a video that you would like the AI to say. Right now we have this. We're going to select this one maybe. We need to click that and avatar added just like that. Now you could simply use this avatar for your video. And over here also, once again, you could add your script to whatever you want. For example, hello, welcome to today's video, just like that. And then you could choose your language over here, the voices. You could choose from all of this different options, from male to female. We're going to go with Eric for the meantime. Oh, actually, we're going to go with a girl. So we're going to go with Amber. Just like that. And what you're going to do next is you're going to generate video. By clicking this, we will be able to generate the video that we have. Going to click on generate and we will have our video being generated over here. While waiting, we're going to check this out. Actually, it has finished, so we're going to check this one out.
Hello, welcome to today's video.
The AI voice is not that great. It's very computerized. You would immediately know that this is AI, but as a
Hello, welcome to today's video.
you could download this, share this, or you could delete this video. You could check out this other one.
Hi, today we are going to talk about amazing AI websites.
It created an amazing portrait, a talking portrait, immediately into a video. You could use this for a lot of things, but the only thing I see which is a bit a downside for this is that the voice sounds a bit too much of an AI. But still, regardless, it is a very great application, a very good AI tool to be able to produce videos with moving animation. So that's it. That's it for this AI. We're going to move on to another one. Now this one over here called BigSpeak is very similar to this AI over here, but a bit less advanced, because before over here you could generate and create a video, but for this time this is only for text. You could choose your language over here, choose it from German, French, Spanish, Chinese, and Arabic. You could choose the gender over here and choose the input type over here. Right now we're going to go with text. So over here, this is our script. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the I am not robot and you could generate the voice over here. And what else can you do with BigSpeak? It can do speech to text over here, voice cloning, and other options over here also. So
Hi, for today's video we will talk about amazing AI websites.
as you can see, it has generated a voice for our script over here. It did sound very AI or very robotic, but still, it's still a very amazing thing to be able to produce. Now moving on, we're going to check out Divine. Now moving on, we're going to check out Design Evo. Design Evo allows you to create logo using AI. We're going to try this out. We're going to make a logo by clicking on Make Logo over here. We could choose from all of these different templates as a basis for our design. You could choose from a lot of different categories, as you can see here on the left side. We have abstract, pets, music, automotive, business, and all of these different options over here. For us, we're going to try and start from scratch. We're going to click that, and we would be redirected to the editing page of Design Evo. And over here, you will be able to create your design. You could use all of these elements over here. You could search for icons, use your text, use shapes over here, depending on what you would like. You could also use your background over here. You could go back to your templates if you would like to use templates instead. And it will help you create amazing logos for your company, for your projects, or whatever you would like or would need to use your logo for. And those are it, guys. Those are the amazing AIs that are available in the internet right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.